Here we have a sticky little alien stuck on the wall that moves, and Cat's reaction to it. Do you want that little alien up there, Simon? Rolling down the wall? You want that alien? Go get him. Go get him. Go get him.
Oh, well, that's probably make him so mad because he can't get it.
No, he's liking it.
Oh, it's slowly falling.
It's rolling down the wall. You still want that little alien, don't ya? Don't ya? What's that? What are you saying? Oh, he got it! Good job, Simon!